So let's start with the first thing here, the SQL Developer Web. And the SQL Developer Web is on the OCI console already, as the name says. So you just easily access it via the OCI console. It's very quick, very simple. And you can load CSV data, so comma-separated files, XML, JSON, and of course Excel as well. So just for the case that your old Excel can only store like 16,000 rows or something like that, it's a good idea to move it into Autonomous. It would be the right approach here. And generally, if you have anything regarding SQL Developer, Jeff Smith's blog, Jeff Smith works for Oracle. He's the product manager for SQL Developer and SQL CLI. He's the go-to guy. He blogs almost daily about SQL Developer, so you find a lot of useful things and a lot of tips also regarding SQL Developer Web. So how does this work? We would like to show you all the different flavors and the different approaches. And let's go here on the Tools tab. And there's SQL Developer Web. There's, by the way, also Apex. So in SQL Developer Web, I would like to load my file first. So I access my local file. And we take only one of the files here. We take the albums CSV with all the albums. So it loads a basic data set. I can also define like different column names if I need to. And the only thing I need to adjust here, because it takes varchar 2 by default, it's not as sophisticated as the regular SQL Developer. I change a few columns here to number. It generates the DDL code to create my table where we load into right from the file, so I don't have to do that. And then the data is loaded a few minutes later. Here it is. So you see 28,000 rows. Let us check if we can do a quick select star. Data is there. That looks good. That wasn't complicated. So in less than 2 minutes, my instance is provisioned. I downloaded, which I don't need even here. I don't need the wallet here to download because I'd go directly via the web console. Have my CSV file uploaded. Bang, it's in. That wasn't complicated. We can do this with your Excel files as well, by the way.